Have you ever walked through a forest and just listened? The gentle symphony of nature surrounds you, each sound a clue to the hidden lives all around. The buzz of insects, the rustle of leaves, the quiet growth of a mushroom. These are just a few notes in the vast orchestra of life. Our planet is teeming with life, millions of species, each with a unique story, each playing a vital role in the web of existence. For centuries, we studied them by their shapes and behaviors, observing how they move, interact, and survive in their environments. But now, we can read the instruction manual that makes each one unique. Their DNA, the code that shapes every living thing from the inside out. Imagine a library, not of books, but of life itself, a digital collection of the genetic code for every known animal, plant, fungus, and protist on Earth. Each sequence is a story, a record of evolution and adaptation. This is not science fiction. It's a real global scientific endeavor happening right now, uniting experts from every continent. Scientists worldwide are working together to read the entire genetic story of every complex life form on our planet, sharing knowledge and discoveries across borders. It's a monumental task, filled with challenges and the promise of discoveries that could change our world, revealing secrets hidden for millions of years. Many species are disappearing before we even know them, vanishing forever before their secrets can be uncovered. By capturing their genetic information, we create a permanent record of life's diversity, preserving knowledge for future generations. This isn't just about data, it's about building a tool to understand connections, protect species, find new medicines, and become better stewards of Earth. The possibilities are as vast as life itself. The language of life is DNA, the ultimate blueprint written in a code we are only beginning to fully understand. This project is about gathering millions of blueprints into a massive shared database accessible to scientists and dreamers everywhere. Join me as we dive into this story, exploring why scientists are determined to sequence every living thing and what it could mean for our future, our health, and the fate of life on Earth. Let's start with the basics. DNA is at the heart of every living thing, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest animals and plants. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule inside almost every living cell. It's the master code that makes life possible. Picture it as a twisted ladder, a double helix with rungs made of 4 chemical bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine, A, G, C, and T. These bases pair up in a very specific way, forming the steps of the ladder. The order of these letters forms a code, a set of instructions for how an organism grows, functions, and looks. This code is unique for every species, and even for every individual. The complete set of instructions is called a genome. It's like a massive instruction manual written in a language only cells can read. Sequencing DNA means figuring out the exact order of those A, G, C, and T bases in an organism's genome. It's a way to decode the language of life itself. It's like reading a book letter by letter to understand its story. Each letter matters, and even a small change can make a big difference. What once took years can now be done in days, thanks to powerful machines that read billions of genetic letters at lightning speed. Technology has revolutionized our ability to explore the genetic code. Sequencing a genome gives us the ultimate blueprint for a species, revealing its evolutionary history, special abilities, and hidden traits. It's like unlocking secrets that were once impossible to see. This information is a superpower, letting us understand biology at its most fundamental level. It connects all living things through a shared language. It helps us solve real-world problems, from medicine to conservation. We can protect endangered species, develop new treatments, and learn more about ourselves. DNA sequencing opens a window into the machinery of life, showing us how living things work from the inside out, and it's changing how we see the world, revealing the incredible complexity and unity of life on Earth. With the advent of rapid DNA sequencing, scientists began to think bigger than ever before, leading to the creation of the Earth BioGenome Project, or EBP, a truly groundbreaking initiative. Launched in 2018, the EBP set out with an ambitious goal: to sequence the genomes of all known eukaryotic species, about 1.8 million animals, plants, fungi, and protists that make up the complex web of life on our planet. It's a biological moonshot, far bigger and more challenging than the Human Genome Project, which only mapped a single species, our own. The EBP is a vast global network, uniting scientists, universities, museums, and research centers from every continent in a shared mission. The first phase focuses on sequencing one representative species from each of roughly 9,400 eukaryotic families, creating a genetic catalog that captures the breadth of life's diversity. Later phases will go even deeper, sequencing every single species within those families, revealing the full richness of Earth's biodiversity. This phased approach gives us a wide-ranging look at life's genetic tree, providing immediate insights into evolution, adaptation, and relationships while the larger work continues. The ultimate vision is an open, digital repository of genomic information for all complex life on Earth, a resource unlike any before. This vast library will be accessible to scientists, educators, and the public everywhere, breaking down barriers to knowledge. It will transform our understanding of biology, unlocking secrets hidden in the DNA of millions of species, powering innovations in medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology, and providing essential tools for conserving biodiversity and protecting endangered species. The EBP is a legacy project for the 21st century, a gift of knowledge and discovery to future generations, inspiring curiosity and stewardship. It's about understanding, protecting, and celebrating the full spectrum of life on Earth, in all its wonder and complexity. And the most exciting part, it's happening right now, shaping the future as we speak. One urgent reason to sequence all life is conservation. With species disappearing rapidly, genetic information is a powerful tool for protecting endangered animals and plants. Sequencing a threatened species' genome reveals its genetic health and diversity, key to survival in a changing world. This guides breeding programs, helps avoid inbreeding, and boosts chances of long-term survival. Genomic data can identify distinct populations needing special protection, even when they look identical. It helps set conservation priorities and design protected areas that safeguard genetic heritage. For extinct species, recovered DNA can reveal what was lost and inform restoration efforts. Sequencing is about preserving the book of life, even the chapters we thought were gone. For millennia, humans have turned to nature for remedies. Aspirin from willow bark, penicillin from fungus. Every organism's DNA encodes unique biochemical strategies for survival. Sequencing millions of genomes unlocks a vast medicine cabinet of life-saving compounds we haven't yet discovered. A desert plant's genes could help us engineer drought-resistant crops. A frog's genome might reveal new antibiotics. Nature has solved countless problems, we just need to read the solutions in its DNA. Some fish can regenerate heart tissue. By studying their genes, we might learn to heal human hearts. Animals like the naked mole rat resist cancer and aging. Their genomes could revolutionize medicine. Microbes from extreme environments have tough enzymes. Sequencing them lets us create better industrial processes. The planet's genetic diversity is a treasure trove of innovation, and we're only beginning to unlock its secrets. No species lives in isolation. Every organism is part of a complex ecosystem. Genomics lets us see the inner workings of these relationships. By sequencing all species in an ecosystem, we can build a molecular-level picture of how it functions. This helps us monitor ecosystem health and spot early warning signs of stress. Certain species' genetic changes can serve as bioindicators, alerting us to problems before collapse. Comparing genomes reveals the evolutionary history connecting all life, building a detailed tree of life. We can pinpoint genetic changes behind key innovations like plants colonizing land or birds evolving flight. Genomics also uncovers hidden relationships like the vital microbes in soil or animal guts. Sequencing reveals how plants recruit bacteria for nutrients, or how bees' gut microbes help them thrive. The smallest players often have the biggest impact. Genomics shows us the hidden layers of the web of life. One of the most exciting parts of global sequencing is discovery. Scientists have named about 1.8 million species, but there could be tens of millions more, many small, hidden, or in remote places. DNA sequencing uncovers this hidden biodiversity, revealing cryptic species and new branches on the tree of life. Metagenomics lets us identify dozens of species from a single soil or water sample. No need to see the organisms. Sometimes we find organisms so different they don't fit any known category, like finding a lost continent. Each new species adds to our understanding of evolution and may hold unique abilities or medicines. The age of exploration continues at the genomic level. Sequencing all life is a massive global effort. Thousands of scientists, field biologists, taxonomists, geneticists, and bioinformaticians work together. Modern DNA sequencers read billions of letters per day, turning years of work into hours. The challenge: assembling millions of DNA fragments into a complete genome, a monumental computational puzzle. Supercomputers and sophisticated algorithms piece together the data. Once assembled, genomes are annotated and uploaded to open-access databases for all to use. The project faces obstacles: funding, difficult sample collection, and ethical questions about sharing benefits. Many species may go extinct before we can sample them. Overcoming these challenges requires scientific ingenuity and international cooperation. The race is on to capture life's genetic diversity before it's lost. It's a testament to what humanity can achieve together. The Earth BioGenome Project is building a legacy of knowledge for generations to come. This grand library of life will transform us from passive observers to informed caretakers. With a complete genetic database, we can restore ecosystems, develop new medicines, and create resilient crops. Conservation will become proactive, monitoring genetic health in real time and intervening before crises. The genetic blueprints of millions of organisms will inspire new technologies and solutions. Ultimately, this project deepens our wonder and connection to the natural world. Sequencing every living thing honors the beauty and complexity of life, and our responsibility to protect it. The future of life on Earth is being written, one genome at a time.